Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, viewers out there. You're welcome to KodeNet Solutions, and I am Joshua. We'll be taking you in this channel on courses relating to web development. This is our very first video for the year, and we would like you to meet us to get to know who we are. And I'm sure you're wondering, who are we? What is KodeNet Solutions? And now, basically, KodeNet Solution is a body that's into web design and development, web hosting, domain name purchase, website management, web design, tutorials, which is going to be the major focus of this channel. Tutorials, and we are hoping to teach viewers out there how to code the web, how to design your own website, and the process of doing that, hosting it, and getting your site live. Okay, and that's what this channel is going to be all about. So having said that, I'm sure you're really wondering, okay, how do I benefit from this channel? Okay, what's my take? There are so many channels that provide tutorials on web design. Yes, we're not disputing that. As a matter of fact, and I'm one person who has benefited from watching video tutorials on web design, and I think at this junction, I want to give a shout out to Traversi Media. You've really been a great mentor. You've been a great facilitator as regarding web design, and I enjoy watching your videos. I love them so much, and I want to say thank you again. And back to this channel, we're not here to invent or reinvent the wheel, okay? Or we're not here to create something that it's not existing. Okay, and the sole purpose of this channel will be to teach and train individuals and viewers out there on web coding and its associated technologies, with our principal focus on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And now the truth is, there are so many tools today to build a website. Some does not even require you having any knowledge of coding. All you just do is click and drag, drop, and your site is up. However, we want to encourage building a website from the scratch, okay, with the rudiments, the fundamental technology being HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that's going to be the principal focus of this channel. We're going to begin our tutorials with HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and then we'll graduate into CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, and JavaScript. Okay, now we are hoping that at the end of the day, okay, for newbies, or people like me, who when I first came to meet web design, I was asking such questions like, how am I going to know when to put semicolon? I mean, when do I know what to use? Okay, how do I know which value to use? When do I write code as this? For instance, let's look at, there was a time where I look at codes like this, and okay, how do I even know when the dot comes into play? How do I know when to put zero as a value? I ask such questions. How do I know? How do I know? How do I know? And how do I know? And how do I know? And then we keep looking at the large code, and you're wondering, when will I write codes like this? I mean, how is it going to be possible? How do I even know, okay, when to use CSS? How do I know when to use this? How do I know which technology to use? How do I know? How do I know? And how do I know? And we're hoping at the end of the day, this channel will be able to solve such problem, and then boost your confidence as a developer, boost your confidence as a web designer that, hey, if others out there can do it, so can I. And today I can comfortably write codes for websites, and when I'm doing that, people around me get like, how do you know what exactly to use? How do you know? It's all practice, okay? You don't just wake up one day and get to know it. It's all practice. And I'm hoping that for those of us having that same question, how do I know? When do I do this? I want to believe that this channel will be able to solve that problem for you. Okay, now this channel is not promising you heaven and earth as regarding web design. Okay, it's not promising you the final solution as regarding coding challenges, but this channel will do its best to simplify the concepts and principles of web design so that even a person without any knowledge of computing or programming will be able to pick up a computer and then the tools needed and create a simple website. Okay, so I encourage you viewers out there that you stay tuned to this channel. Remember to click on the subscribe button, like our videos, and then and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, from time to time we will be making videos. Like I said, we'll begin our course with HTML, and if you have questions at the end of the day, you have comments, you have suggestions, this channel is so very much open to comment, so very much open to suggestion, so very much open to criticism. Okay, as long as it's a positive one. Okay, no man is an island of knowledge. There is no one who knows it all. We keep learning every day. I can learn from you, you can learn from me, and that's the beauty of knowledge. Okay, we keep learning every day and learning every day. So this channel is open to comments and questions. There are things you don't understand, or probably there are videos or there are techniques, there are technologies you would want to appreciate better, you would want to learn better. You can make a request, okay, in your comments. And having said that, so at this junction, we're gonna take a pause for today. That'll be it for today, and stay tuned for the next video, which is actually going to be our first tutorial on HTML. All right, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I remain Joshua, and I represent KodeNet Solutions. Stay tuned. Bye. See you in the next video.